I got a new fidget spinner. It's colored in blue, and it's also called a hand spinner, and it's a really cool spinner. So without further ado, let's just open it. So here's my fidget spinner. Really cool. Spins fast. I like it a lot because it's so beautiful, and when it spins, it has the white thing spinning. So yeah, it also spins on the table, and it takes a lot of time to stop. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. So bye guys.